Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use roles in Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to use roles in Claude Cowork. I will show you how do they work, how to download them, how to use some skills from them, and this will be a, I would say, introduction video into a plugins that I will cover later in more specific way in later videos. So in order to use roles in Claude Cowork, of course you have to go into the Cowork tab right here, and first of all we will open the Customize tab right there, and here we have plugins. I installed some plugins before this video, but I will show you how you can install them, and I will show you the example what do they contain, because here we have the marketing, here we have the sales. And now we are going to browse plugins, and here we have the plugins from Anthropic and partners. I installed sales and marketing, but how can you install a role in by yourself? I would say you can do it by simply clicking on that plus button. But if you want to get some more information, for example the engineering role, I would say, you can click on that. Here you have some more information, you have the skills, you have the connector, and you can press on the install. Maybe I will do it. So as you can see, engineering is installed and ready to use. Now I think I will have to go back and go into it again in order to see it on the right, but I will show you how does this plugin, how does it work. So let's say that we want to use this marketing role. We have two tabs. We have skills and connector. About connector, I'm not going to talk about connector in the very specific way, but you can simply use this program with this role. I will talk maybe about skills, and about connectors I will talk about in later videos. So you have skills. Every skill can do other things, and you can choose which one you want to use by running this like a comment, I would say. So you have to use slash and the name of the skill. After it, you have to type in input. So content now to review accepts content in any of these forms. So you have to paste the content and brand guideline source determined automatically. So this is the input. In every skill you have the input that you need to pass into a model. So this is how it works. Basically you have the role that is very good at marketing, and you can use some skills from this role in order to make your work easier. As you can see, for example, content creation, every skill has a very long description. So if you are interested in it, you can actually use it. And I will show you how you can use some of the skills, maybe one of the skill in this video. So let's say, because I prepared a skill daily briefing, get a clear view of what matters most today. These skills work with whatever you tell me, and get richer with when you connect your tools. So getting started, when you run the skill, I will ask what I need. So if no calendar connected, so you can actually connect the skill. So you can do the connectors and you can connect to calendar, to your calendar. But if no calendar is connected, the model will ask what meetings do you have today, just paste your calendar or list them. If no CRM is connected, what deals are you focused on this week, any that need attention. So if you have connectors, I will put everything automatically and just show you the briefing. So if you have a connector, you can just do daily briefing like this and press enter, and it will work. But in that case, because I don't have a connector, AI will ask me to pass the information. So we are waiting, thinking. And now, as you can see, using visualize, And now, what meeting do you have today? I have to pass it here. So I prepared a file. As you can see, because I don't have connectors, I have to pass it manually, but I create a file in Notepad. So what meeting do you have today? I create, here's my schedule for today, so I have some hours, internal sales thing. It doesn't really matter, I will just paste it here, because this is only for example in this video. What deals are you focused on this week? So again, I have these deals. Like this. How would you like your briefing? So I will just do a quick briefing, doesn't really matter. Anything on top of your mind? No. So I will just build my brief. And as you can see now, the model will start thinking about it. It is very comfortable because you can actually do it manually. So you can write the whole prompt and specify what do you need. But with this skill and this role, you can actually just paste it into sections and everything will be fine. As you can see, top process, quick brief Wednesday, May 6th, everything is fine, and you have some meetings for today, so everything is correct. It was 4 meeting, and internal sync renewal, and so on. You have the alerts, you have do now before 10:30, and so on. You can run call preparation and company before any of your meetings for deeper preparation brief. So as you can see, it is very advanced. I will record more videos about skills, plugins in Claude Cowork in the future, but this is the, I would say, introduction into it and how you can use it. And that will be all in this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.